After number 3, so we're going to end up with a gold no matter what. So.
Nate and Jamie want a black, I'm pretty sure.
So we'll have a choice of at least 2.
This is the first time I'm pregnant with like 6 children.
You have 6 children?
Yeah.
Now, did it all happen in one night, or was it...
No,
God, look at your
several
boobs,
nights.
Becky. Becky, look at your boobs.
Marty, you're
No,
in my recording.
no, but look at...
I know.
I love that. That's really cool.
This is a family show.
He's under her shirt and see what happens.
They pump you up.
Okay, look at my sleeves. I will. Let me. Hang on. It takes a while. You can't just rip them out of there.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, they don't want to come out of there.
Look at her.
Okay.
Because it's a little wet.
Oh my gosh. Now they're in the back. Okay, puppies. No, so they got skinny.
That's
they're in
the
back.
same one 60 years later, Marty. Marty.
Okay.
Those are the same one 60 years later.
They don't want to come out.
They can't get out.
No, they don't want to come out. I've been
I
trying to
know,
get
I'm
out.
getting it. Bite her, Mark. Bite her on the butt. Bite her in the butt.
Oh my god. They're migrating.
They're right there.
I know, he won't come out.
Hey.
Pick him up. He'll scooch up. You don't want to come out.
She obviously isn't using her claws. Oh, Boo, what are you guys doing downstairs? Boo and Charlie were downstairs.
Yeah, I told you. Conjugal. What did I say earlier?
Alright. This isn't the vag area.
Conjugal visit.
For the uterus area.
It's a family show, dear.
Oh, I see feet. There's a girl.
There's 3 girls.
Girls.
And then there's 2 in my sleeve. Oh no, just one, big one.
Let's go. Yeah, he's just...
That little girl really knows how to walk now. Look at her go.
No, don't.
I'm on a roll.
I know it's
Well,
warm
how
in
many
here.
are there?
A few.
Are we peeing?
I think Allie's got...
How many are there?
Don't you? She's...
10.
Oh, okay. I thought there was 9.
Oh, we got a piddle pile. Right there.
Look at this one.
She's stepping in it. Ah, there she goes. Way to piddle in
I'm
it.
like, oh, it's so warm in here. It's so warm in here. Oh, piddle.
Piddle again.
Big
More piddle.
Pee time.
There's more to your right. Cat's almost sitting in it.
Right here. Oh, kitty. Get out of here.
There's the girls. They got pink collars.
Oh, this is a pink.
There she is.
And that cat's not going to be sitting there licking cat or dog piss off her for...
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Where'd my water spot go?
Go there. Go
There's so
there.
much time in there. I'll see what happened.
Mom. Mom.
Good. I have no problems with that at all.
Oh,
Hey. Allie.
What?
That's alright.
She's just pounding
No,
them.
that's alright. They gotta learn.
Payback's a bit.
He's hot. He's hot.
Put 'em up. Put 'em
He's
up.
hot. Get. Oh, I'm sorry. These can't walk in it.
I can turn my hearing aid off. I can't hear it quite so bad.
Okay. Yeah. Is that what you're doing?
Bring it down a notch.
Too loud. See, she's a traveler. She's going places. Oh, that's a he. Wrong one.
Angel and that one. They're like mischievous. They're over there. Angel.
Hey, where you
Gilbert
going?
clothes.
Mary Kramer.
What do the Gilbert girls do? Piss on the floor?
Fiddle pile.
There's probably sitting behind by that refrigerator. It's gotta
Yeah,
be
I
alive.
know. Well, they were all content in my shirt.